Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to install the SearXNG in your Windows machine. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google Chrome. After that, search for web catalog and go right here in this link. Okay, after that, download it for Windows and start download. Okay, fine, the downloading is finished. Let's open the folder and double click to the setup file. It's installing right now. Let's minimize this one like this. Okay, we have to sign in our web catalog. Continue with the browser. Continue with Google. Continue. Always open web catalog. Okay, to install the SearXNG, you have to go here to apps and search for SearXNG and hit install. As you can see, the installation of the SearXNG is finished. Let's open it. Okay, classic. Okay, it works fine as you can see. This is the SearXNG. Thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.